Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of kneading dough for hours to get that perfect loaf of bread? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the 25in1 automatic bread machine by Saluna. This incredible machine can handle everything from crusty baguettes to decadent cakes, and it's so easy to use, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. With its lightweight design and easy setup, you can have freshly baked bread in no time. But what really sets it apart is its 25in1 multifunctionality, which includes 14 bread types, 2 cake recipes, and 4 special menus. The touchscreen display makes it a breeze to select your program, and the visible lid lets you keep an eye on your bread as it bakes, giving you that perfect golden crust. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The results are consistently delicious. The 2 pounds capacity is perfect for large families or for those who like to bake in bulk, and the adjustable settings let you customize your loaf to your liking, with a soft crumb and a crispy crust. The 13-hour delay timer is a lifesaver for busy mornings, and the automatic nut dispenser ensures that your bread is always packed with flavor and texture. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this machine is a must-have, and its food-grade materials and easy cleaning make it a joy to use every day. So why settle for store-bought bread when you can have freshly baked loaves at home with the Saluna 25in1 automatic bread machine? Give it a try and taste the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.